Savage. You got all these social media accounts, nigga. Behind computers, all you do is run your mouth, nigga. Gon' make me pull up with some shooters at your house, nigga. Like what's all that shit you talking about, nigga? He try to turn up, got my burner block like Bobby Shmurda. If I don't got it, pockets hurting, I'ma rob a person. If he don't go, my heat gon' blow. They gotta dock and nurse him, or box and hearse him. I don't box, I pop my Glock and murk him. And bitch, I'm headed to your city, bitch. Just me and my big bro city, bitch. Got 30 hanging off the semi. Off this motherfucker, shoot him in the fizzy. And niggas say they tryna get me, but bitch, I'm always in the hood, like I'm Kenny. Man, free my uncle out that, you know every verse for you. If rap don't work and work don't move, it's back to murking dudes. I fucked your bitch, she sucked my dick, don't take it personal. I cock my Glock and drop his top like a convertible. Can't fuck with niggas, lot of niggas fool. Shout out MGE, them my dudes. He think he Tupac with the juice. Tupac. Until he bishop on the roof. Man, niggas bitches Twitter talking, I ain't with the talking. They with they bitches pillow talking, all them niggas fraudin'. Say he gon' catch me out in traffic, caught that nigga walking. Roll down the windows with extendos, pistols get to sparking. Don't use emojis, niggas know me, you got pose and show me. But niggas police, run up on me, smoke them like some OG. My OG told me, niggas phony, watch them like a rollie. I'm in your city, locked and loaded, let all shots explode. He post a picture of a thumper, got 200 likes. But when I caught him out in public, wasn't no gun in sight. My shooters on him, put him on him, he won't see them on it. Might roll up on him blowing, if he pussy, I'ma show him. Straight up exposing, don't do talking, I shoot like The Office. They gon' chalk him, toss the burner, just another murder. And I'm headed to your block, bitch. Me and my niggas on that mob shit. And you know Juno want some hot shit. Glock spit, hit his noodles, get the chops.